Hi there, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a DIY on how you can make a coconut oil for your hair, for your skin, for your coconut rice, for cooking and other uses of coconut oil. So stay tuned. So I have 8 coconut here. The price of each ranges between 300 350. In total I got this 2,200 for all 8. Coconut is pretty expensive now, so this is it. I'll start by cutting this into pieces before I blend it and then sieve out the coconut milk. When blending, I do use warm water because it helps to get the oil out from the coconut chaff. And I do blend twice. Once I'm done with the first blending, I'll sieve it out, put back the chaff into the blender and blend it once more before I let go of the chaff. I'll repeat this step for all the coconuts. Any portion that I'm putting in the blender, I will blend it twice and then sieve out. The moment I'm done blending and sieving, I do use this stainless sieve to sieve it out. And then the next step is to use chiffon sieve. I use the chiffon sieve to sieve it out so that I can get out all the particles that might be in it, leaving out just the coconut milk. After that, I'll pour in the coconut milk into a pot and place it in the fridge till the next day. The idea behind it is just for the water to go down while the oil settles up and coagulates. I'm just going to leave it in the fridge until the next day. So this is the coconut chaff. Some people use this for flour, some people use it for swallow, like food that you can use and eat, soup. And then some use it for skincare, like they use it to scrub their face and all that. But I'm not ready to use this. I'm going to trash this. I'm not going to be using it, so I'm going to just trash this. But this still has its uses. Not just once you get out the milk, this chaff comes out, but this also has its uses. So some will still make use of this. So this is the next day. So I've just got this out from the fridge and you can see the oil is here. I'm going to bring this out and place it on the cooking pot. You see the wheat? So this is the oil that goes up. This is just basic chemistry. When water and oil is mixed, oil goes up and then the water goes down. So I'm going to place this here. I'll be using this water to prepare coconut rice and also make moi moi. So I'm just going to boil it and put it aside. Ones here. going to just cook this. I'm just going to cook this for like 30 to 40 minutes so as to get the oil out. Once it starts to brown, then you know that the oil is almost ready. So I'm going to put this off. But when I made this, I forgot to put the light off entirely. That's why it got so brown and it changed the color of the oil to yellowish brown. Normally it's not this color, it's kind of light. Like this is the last one I did before this one. Look at the color, and then look at the color of the one I did today. So because I left it to brown, that was what happened. So it affected the color of the coconut oil. So don't be like me, let your own turn out good. Goodbye, thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.